We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT for music creation. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Log into your account if you haven't already done so. Once you're in, you'll see a chat interface where you can start your musical journey. To begin creating music, you'll want to type in specific prompts that can help generate lyrics, melodies, or even music theory advice. For example, you can type "create a song about summer" or "give me chord progressions for a happy tune." ChatGPT can provide you with a list of lyrics or chord progressions that you can use as inspiration or even directly in your music. If you need melody ideas, try asking what melody fits well with these lyrics. This way, ChatGPT can offer you creative suggestions to help develop your musical pieces. You can even delve into more technical aspects by asking for music theory explanations or tips on how to improve your compositions. For instance, explain the circle of fifths or how do I write a catchy chorus? Remember, you can keep refining your requests to get the most out of ChatGPT's capabilities. As you interact with ChatGPT, you'll find that it becomes an invaluable tool for sparking creativity and overcoming writer's block. Don't hesitate to experiment with different prompts to see what unique ideas you can generate. Once you have your lyrics and melodies, you can use them in your digital audio workstation to bring your music to life. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.